There ain't a day goes by that people don't ask me how they can arrange flowers. I have to help these people. When I start a new arrangement, I like to go straight for the bush, aka foliage, aka greenery. Start with a strong leafy green. This here's eucalyptus. The foliage gives your arrangement that natural look, while at the same time creates a framework that supports the rest of the composition. Next, I'm going to build a grid using line flowers. Line flowers are any flowers that grow in a line. These are snapdragons. Don't worry, they don't bite. They don't. Nah, they don't bite. Line flowers add height and a bunch of little blossoms that you can use for points of reference. So basically, we've got the foliage, which is our location. We got the line flowers, which is the script. Now we need to attach the star, or in this case, stargazer lilies. This is your headliner. This is the biggest, most eye-catching bloom in the jar. This is the flower all the other flowers want to be, but never will. Some folks is just born lucky. See what it looks like from all sides? Wait. Next we add the filler flower. Filler flower's job is to make pretty all them gaps between the lilies and the foliage. There's a lot of choices for this arrangement. We're using Queen Anne's lace. If this were a little less family oriented, I'd be using Queen Anne's leather. So now, all that's left is to add the supporting cast, the backup dancers, the entourage. You want these to be attractive but not outshine the headliner. I get a kick out of these flowers because they're called ridiculous. I ain't kidding. It says so right on the seed packet. Ridiculous. Get that up here, and then this last little one goes right here, and we are done. Look how pretty that is. And it didn't take but a few minutes. You're welcome.